In this video, we'll take a look at an accessory for the ETI's EB2S 250 MCCB, which will not only improve quality of life, but also safety. Introducing the RO2S 250, the Breaker Mounted Rotary Handle. These are all of the needed components for a successful installation. And this is how you can change the initial position of the handle. Turn the handle and remove the back screw, then remove the handle. Prepare the rotary handle mechanism for mounting onto the circuit breaker. Position the handle mechanism on the breaker, making sure all parts are correctly aligned. Tighten the handle screw once it is in place, and place the breaker in the correct upright position for safe and accurate installation. Check that the mechanism sits firmly on the breaker housing. Then tighten the two screws. You will hear a click when doing so. Lastly, attach the hook and the front indicator to the cabinet door or a false panel. When you close the front of the installation, the door interlock lever should engage. You can now use the rotary handle to operate the breaker. The handle can now switch between off, on, trip, and reset or open positions. To open the door or remove the front panel, you need to turn the handle to the open position. This disengages the door lever and enables you to remove the panel. If the breaker is in the on or trip position, use the screw to disengage the door lever. When the breaker is in the trip position, rotate the handle slightly towards the on position, and this will reveal the screw. And this is how the rotary handle works behind the closed doors. For safe maintenance work, you can use up to 3 padlocks. Position the handle to the off position and put on the padlocks. This will prevent anyone to turn the breaker on. To learn more about the RO2S 250 rotary handle, visit our website.